Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing something a little different. This is going to be a cooking video. This is the cooking master in the house, my wife, Darlene. So
hey.
we gotta make sure she's in the video. So I saw Erik's video where he made some Instant Pot ribs, and I thought, you know what, that looks awesome. I would like to try to do the same thing. So this is going to be my take on the barbecue Instant Pot ribs.
Cool. I'm going to make cauliflower mac and cheese and asparagus too.
Right, so we're also going to have cauliflower mac and cheese, which is delicious, and some asparagus, along with our Instant Pot barbecue ribs.
They are in the Instant Pot.
So let's go ahead and get everything we need ready for this. Alright, so we got our ribs here. I went and pulled off most of the membrane in the back here that I could. And now we want to take our spices and our brown sugar. We're going to kind of just make our own little rub here.
Always wash your hands after handling raw meat.
So in the spices here, I've got garlic salt, onion salt, black pepper, and then we're also going to add this to the brown sugar. Alright, so we got our ribs ready. And this is going to be the secret weapon here. I'm going to put some cheer wine in there. I thought this would be good. Gotta taste it first. That's good stuff. Just going to put that in the bottom here. You want to make sure to have your trivet in the bottom there, the Instant Pot. I'm just going to take your ribs and place them around. Guess we could have put even some more in there, huh?
I only got 3 pounds. Since it's just me and you eating them.
Alright, we got our ribs in the pot. I just need to put the cover on and set it up to cook. I'm just going to do a manual here. Set it at 22 minutes. And then make sure that we are set on top here the right way. Now we wait. Alright, now we gotta let the steam out of here. Don't touch that. It's hot. Alright, let's take a look. Ooh, looks good. Alright, so now we're gonna pull these bad boys out. Place them on a pan. I wish you could smell these. Alright, so now we're going to cover these with some barbecue sauce of choice. Our choice around here is the good old Sweet Baby Ray's. You know, because the sauce is the boss, right? Alright, barbecue sauce on these. Got the oven about 400 degrees. We're gonna put these in the oven for about 10 minutes. See how they look. Alright, Darlene's hangry. It's time to eat. Everything's done.
It's almost 8 o'clock p.m. It's dark outside.
This might be your only video, so you better like, comment, and subscribe